and welcome to the Fitness Shrink. So on the last episode, we covered the topic of nutrition, and I wanted to emphasize nutrition as the first step in a fitness program because I think it's the most important thing to wrap your brain around first. Now, the next component of that, obviously, is the exercise portion. And a lot of people ask the fundamental question, well, why exercise if you can just diet? Well, there's a lot of reasons why you should be exercising. Some of them are scientific and some of them are psychological. The scientific reasons you've all heard: a healthier heart, better lung capacity, stronger bones. I mean, their list just goes on and on for the scientific reasons. What I want to tackle as the fitness shrink is the psychological side. You should be exercising first and foremost because it really reduces stress and depression. Two things that our society deals with big time right now. The use of antidepressants has increased over 400% in the last 20 years. This is a crazy busy society, very ADD society that we live in. Exercise goes a long way towards reducing stress and depression. It releases powerful neurotransmitters into your body, endorphins that make you feel good, and it's a physiological effect that you can actually feel. Exercise genuinely does reduce stress and depression. Any study will show you this. It's something that I highly recommend looking into because if you need a good reason to exercise, just getting into better shape is obviously a good enough reason, but just think about reducing your stress level and really taking care of yourself and getting yourself into a better psychological state of mind. On top of that, it's the self-esteem part of it. When you exercise, you look better and you lose weight, you gain muscle, and you just feel better about the way you look. That has a profound impact on your stress level and will also reduce depression. Now, exercise is not a cure-all. It's not going to take care of all of these things, but I promise you, it'll go a long way towards making you feel a lot better, guys. So the exercise portion, think about it from that standpoint, and I wish you luck with this. Email me, Michael at trainwithmichael.com with any questions about this, and we'll see you next time, guys.